Here's a Fitbit Luxe. I'm going to show you how to use the timers such as countdown and stopwatch. Okay, very simple here. All right, first thing is go to your clock face and then swipe to the right. Swipe to the right, and then you have timers here, and below that is stopwatch. Okay, so for instance, let's do stopwatch here. Tap to start. So let's tap it. You want to start, tap it, and there you go. Okay, if you want to, you can pause and you can resume. Okay, and then once you're done, you can just go down here and tap on reset, and then you can start back over, or pretty much you can just go ahead and end it right here. Okay, now for the other one, if we swipe to the right again, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do countdown now. So if you tap on countdown right here, it says tap to add. So we'll tap on that. Now it first gives you minutes here. Okay, so you can go ahead and pick your minutes. For example, if you want to go ahead and 40 minutes. Okay, let's say you want to do 41 minutes. We'll tap on that 41 minutes, and we'll do 10 seconds right there. Tap on 10, and then go ahead and tap on start right there. Okay, then you can pause, you can resume, or you can go ahead and reset. Now this is what happens when the countdown actually ends. Okay, so let me just go ahead and I'm going to click on here. I'm going to go to edit, and then I'm just going to go to 0 minutes. I'll just do 5 seconds, and I'll show you what happens when the time runs out. Okay, so we're going to go to 0 minutes, and we'll do 5 seconds here. I'll tap on that, and I'll tap on start. And as soon as the time runs out, this is great if you're doing yoga for like good 15 minutes or whatnot. As soon as it runs out, it's vibrating now. Okay, now if I want to go ahead and turn it off, I can just go ahead and tap right here to dismiss. All right, pretty simple.